Hi, everyone, and welcome to the CharterSills YouTube channel. I'm Warren Charter, one of the founding principals of CharterSills. I'm standing here in the historic machine shop in the rail yards in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Spaces like this represent the kind of development and rehabilitation projects that CharterSills really enjoys collaborating. By bringing new life to older spaces, the potential of projects can completely transform. With the right vision, a once lively and bustling space like this could be restored into a destination for hotels, shops, or restaurants that bring people together once again. So let's talk a little bit about who we are. Founded in 1994, CharterSills is an architectural lighting design, creating inspired and buildable lighting solutions for projects of all sizes and complexities. For over 3 decades, we've brought vision, focus, and oversight to every project, supporting early design concepts all the way through completed project construction. At our core, we believe that lighting is not just an accessory to architecture, it is essential to how architecture is experienced. Over the years, we have had the opportunity to work on a wide range of meaningful and award-winning projects with some very talented firms. One of our most recognized efforts was the restoration of the Great Hall at Union Station in Chicago, where lighting played a critical role not only in honoring the building's historic architecture, but also introducing a contemporary level of clarity and visual comfort. The project designer was named Lit Magazine's Lighting Designer of the Year. We also collaborated on the Chicago Park District headquarters. Now for this project, the lighting strategy was developed to highlight materiality, civic presence, and spatial rhythm. In less civic areas like hospitality, CharterSills has collaborated on projects like 21C in St. Louis. This project demonstrated how lighting must balance atmosphere, brand identity, and guest experience all in one coordinated effort. CharterSills brings decades of lighting design experience to every project we work on. Over the years, our firm has evolved, and in 2025, we transitioned to a fully remote lighting design model. That shift wasn't just about flexibility, it was about strengthening how we collaborate with our design partners. Being fully remote allows our team of lighting designers to work across many locations throughout the United States while staying deeply engaged from concept all the way through construction. Lighting design requires coordination with architects, interior designers, engineers, manufacturers, and contractors. Our role often sits at that intersection of vision and execution. We translate design intent into technical solutions that can actually be built. Lighting design is often invisible, as it should be, but it shapes everything about how a space feels. That is why we created this YouTube channel. We want to share what really happens behind the scenes, the design conversations, the concept development, the technical coordination, all the problem solving, and the small details that make a big impact. Here on this channel, you will see project walkthroughs, we will have fixture discussions, we will share mock-ups and computer modeling techniques, and have conversations about where the industry is heading. We will also share how we operate as a fully remote lighting design practice and how that model brings added value to our projects. This channel is for anyone and everyone, whether you are a lighting designer, an architect, an interior designer, developer, owner, engineer, or contractor, as well as students interested in lighting design, or anyone who simply is curious about how light shapes the built environment. Whether you're here to learn something highly technical, explore new ideas, or simply better understand what lighting designers do, we're glad you're here. Thank you for joining us at this beginning of the platform. Please subscribe to follow along as we share our projects, ideas, tools, and have conversations about the future of lighting design. We're excited to open up the process, bring you behind the scenes of our architectural lighting design journey. Welcome to CharterSills.